So let's Now here, we've got a pentagon, 5 angles, 5 sides, and it should total 540. And it says it's regular, which means they're all the same. So if this one's 9x minus 18, guess what these are? They're all 5x minus 18 too, aren't they? So we had one like this in our notes, but we had a decagon. See that one right there? There were 10 of them. So we said there's 10 of them, so 10 times this is equal to the total. So our total is 540, and it's 5. So 5. I'm done with this. X is 16, so that's good. Got that for you? However, you're more than welcome to grab 2 colors. I'm not saying you have to. I'm not forcing you at all, but we're here if you want. Okay? If you want to. Alright, let's look at the parallelograms.
He always does. No, only that.
I need you to put this away from me.
It's dead.
Okay, well then why do you have it up? Just put it
I don't
away.
know.
Okay, put it away. I need you focused on this. We're gonna color.
Okay.
We're gonna color today. Alright, the parallelogram. We know the word parallel, right? Okay, so that's the name of it. Rectangles with sides, and I don't know about a rhombus. A rhombus is like a diamond. By the definition, opposite sides are parallel. This one they decided to slant it to the left. This one's slanted. Parallelograms, how that one's slanted to the right. But it's however they want to draw it. So it can be slanted this way, slanted that way, slanted this way. However they want to slant it. But we're gonna just start with one that's like this. So the first thing we tell you about a parallelogram is we want you to this is our goal. This is our goal. Come here. Here's Mr. Parallelogram man. What we want to do is like a puzzle. We're gonna be doing like puzzles today. Okay? We want to fill out this entire and the way we're gonna fill it all out is so the first thing it tells us is that opposite sides are parallel. Okay? So you don't have to do it. Numbers is very clear. And so what I'm doing by putting these arrows, I'm just making How does that help me find the missing stuff that I need? Look out, I'm gonna go back. Okay? What that parallel helps me do. We learned in Greek. That there's that parallel line that is transversal, that all the you step right there. That's the only set that I have right now. That's not gonna be that's just the one. That's 25. happens every single year. Since the beginning of the year, we've been using it every single unit. Letter X. Again, I suppose the whole unit is going to be up in 8th grade. So it's not new. If you back in September, I said, doesn't matter if it's text or not. Anytime you have trace UQS and go back. It really doesn't. So. Yes. S, that's the angle 45. Those numbers are the same, see? There's all the numbers in there, there's two more. And then over here, these all have a letter in the that's your X right here. You just gotta find the right number to go in the right one. QSU. Using the number ASU. USA. They didn't ask me for this one. So if they wanted the big one, they would say QUA. And there's they didn't start with see how they do this? So A, B, E, go find that alligator mouth and make it. And make him eat 38. Okay? And as far as the segments you got up there, I didn't want to show you this. My students yesterday were having a hard time with this. AC is 18, that's this whole thing right here. So they were saying, they were coming up to me and saying, where do I put the 18? Like, you actually don't put the 18 on the picture. the 18 on there. I want you to split on the 9. See that? So they expect you to know when you do this, just so I don't have 5 or 6 of you coming up to me after. I'll put this back in a little bit. So go find. Now on the back is some of the stuff that we're going to on the back. So these are just numbers. Same rules apply wherever you want to apply, okay? So we're going to do 6 problems together, and then I'm going to give you the rest of the class to practice. So numbers 1 and 2 are done. But they're done the same. What we learned over here is the side. We get 9 and 9. This time I'm going to do some Two are equal to each other. I like to play with colors. So if they're congruent, what you're going to do, take a picture. Because they are. Now, hopefully you're going to be a pro at solving. Then you go to algebra 1 and you solve some more, and then you come to geometry and solve some more, and everybody in this room, not everybody. Most of you in this room are going to take 1.5 or after 2, and you're going to solve equations again. So you should be a pro at solving equations by next year. That being said, this equals big one from the practice. Last class we had 900. All right, add the 25. That one we're done. All they did was make the picture look different. That means that once I get my X, I'm not done. Once I get the same thing, just 11x plus 1 equals. Same way, let's solve this. I like to take the smaller of it and minus 11. That's opposite sides again. Is dealing with the diagonals. So this is a little trick where they give you that whole thing, and then look at the next one though. You can either double this or take half of that. Either take half of this, or we double this, we do all of these, and then we set them to that one. You have a choice. You can't put them to each other. It's a very, very famous color. You're gonna see it in the square and all that. They love doing this color. I say they. So this half right here, now it's going to be 4x plus 1. 8x. You either have to double the and get 8x. This is 4x equals 36. Now obviously you don't have to do that. I'm just telling you, you're going to have this on your practice sheet. You might have to do this. So you can either double the half. This one's okay. Here. That's half and half, right? That's cool. And then do something. And the last two, we're going to use the colors again. We're not done. You learn how to put things in algebra, but in geometry, you have to look at this. See what it says fundamental inequality? So we think we're done, but we're really not. Because now it wants what is n cubed. So let's say this was a multiple choice problem. You know they're going to put that as an answer choice, right? You know they are. They're going to put that as an answer choice. But that's not the answer, because you got to go back and put it back in. N cubes the whole thing. So 2 times 10. 2 times 10 plus 7 is 27. And here. So my answer is 27 plus 27, which is 52. Back in sometimes. So this, let me just kind of recap and do the last two. These were opposite side problems. These were diagonal problems. And then angle. Have your colors one more time. Now, no matter what they want to find, you always have to find X first. They have to plug it back in. What colors are going to do for me? Okay, let's look at the colors. I have something here and here, right? They're the same color. What does that mean if they're the same color? I got this one and this one. Different colors. They're not equal, are they? drawn to scale. How big that angle is. Look at that one. See how it's cute? At least look at them and don't say they're equal when you don't look the same. Add them together. That's what my color was. So, color, consecutive, and different colors, we add up 20. Alright, this is 26. Oh boy, I'm not done. Dang it. There's nothing there. Think about it for a second. But that's not going to be in the either one. 4 times 13. So let's go back to like 30%. Remember what these two are the same, right? But if they're consecutive, they're different. Add up. Subtract that from 180, and you'll get 51. So that's what it is. So sometimes you get this this time I'm going to combine them because they're on the same side of the house. Here, and I'm done. I don't have to do 3 and we're doing the diagram. And then we did same kind of problems. Opposite sides. That's the whole half trick. Anything that could tell me behind you?
Who, me?
All right,
Who, I?
so the ones on the
I'm
front,
still working.
they're just numbers, and then the ones on the back are where you have to do some algebra problems. Okay, so go for it.
Yeah.